So for many years, I have had the Canon M6 Mark II. This is a super lightweight camera. It's a pleasure to carry around. Even I can get it into the handbags, but it's more of an entry-level camera and I've definitely outgrown it. So, and I wanted to go full frame. So it's going to be sadly bye-bye for this little beauty, which has really done me proud. And I learned all what I know about photography on this model. But I've gone completely different brand, and here what I'm about to unbox for you is the Sony A7V. Nicely packaged. This will be a new box for Luna. Okay, these are all very tightly packed in. We have a set of manuals and leaflets, multiple of. Part of the box has information on it too. Ooh, comes with a little leather neck strap. Nicely branded with the Sony brand. This is for sure going to be the battery. It is definitely heavier than what goes in my Canon. I'm definitely going to need more of these. And then it looks like, last but not least, the most important thing. This is going to be the camera body. And at first glance, for its size, it's actually much lighter than I anticipated. This is actually then now feels quite heavy almost for its size, but you can see there's a drastic difference. Particularly the handheld there's much larger. And one of the things I particularly chose this model for, what I really like, is when we're going to be able to do that with a screen. But there you have it. That's the Sony A7V unboxed.